Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out another AOA Studio product that I got from ShopMissA. AOA Studio is the ShopMissA private label brand and seriously one of my favorite makeup brands. But the products are $1. You can see it's $1 here. And here I have the Wisp Enhancing Mascara. It says instantly lifts and curls lashes, naturally color-coded lashes. So what's cool about this is that it actually comes in 4 different colors. I have the black one here, just being kind of basic, but they also have a brown, a blue, and a green. And all of those shades sound intriguing to me. Like I would love to wear a brown, a green, a blue. Sounds a little out of my comfort zone, but still fun to try. This sounds really nice. It's a long-wearing formula, weightlessly lifts and lengthens your lashes while coating them in color. Extremely natural, never clumps, smudge-proof, long-lasting, no flaking. So keeping that in mind, it's not claiming to be extremely volumizing, but a lot of times I like to layer mascaras. So if this really does lift and lengthen my lashes, I'm going to be really happy about that, especially because I have very straight out lashes and I did not curl them today. So I'm always looking for a curling mascara. Also, I didn't even mention that this is cruelty-free. So all AOA Studio ShopMissA products are cruelty-free. So the wand looks like a very typical wand, but I will say I like the squeezy tube-like packaging. That's pretty unique. But it's like a medium to small size wand. It has the brush type of bristles. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it to one of my eyes so we can really see the difference. Ooh, I like this wand. I wasn't sure that it would be all that impressive, but it's doing a great job of really gripping the lashes and fully coating each lash. And right away, I'm loving this black color, how the lashes are staying separated. Definitely a nice first layer. I am of course going to layer it up, but before I do that, I'm going to try this out on the lower lash line. Ooh, actually a really nice lower lash line mascara because it's not smudging, getting on the under eye, but it coats all of the lashes in a nice dark black color so that you can see them. And it does make them look long. Ooh. I love when a mascara can work for both the top and the bottom lashes because a lot of the mascaras that I wear on my top lashes are just too difficult for me to apply on the lower lashes because the wand is too big or whatever it might be. But this one seems like it's great for both. I'm gonna go ahead and now layer up those top lashes. I do think that putting on this second layer, it's not building up a ton of volume, but it seems to be making the lashes even darker. I mean, it's lengthening in a sense where it coats the entire lash. I'm trying to kind of tap the ends of my lashes to make it even longer. And I just feel like it kind of enhances how your natural lash length is. Whereas there are fiber mascaras that will actually cling onto the lashes and physically make them longer. And I am noticing as I sit here and layer, the lashes are starting to slightly stick together. So I don't think I can build it up that much more. But I will say it is actually lifting the lashes. The way my lashes look right now is how they would look if I had used a lash curler, which I didn't. I know they're not super lifted and curled, but considering how kind of straight out my lashes are, I'm actually really happy with this effect. So it is, like it claimed, a more natural look, but really pretty, no clumping. The lashes are still looking nice and full, and I love that this is called Wisp because wispy lashes is what I would want to have. And I do think that they look nice and wispy, like a lot of lashes, full, fanned out effect. So I'm happy with this, especially for only $1. I think it's a really nice formula, better than some of the expensive mascaras that I've tried out. So I love finding great, inexpensive mascaras. I have to say though, it took me a while in this trying a new makeup product everyday journey to find good, inexpensive mascaras. And at this point, I do have some favorite drugstore, dollar store, like LA Colors, ShopMissA, types of mascaras that I love. But at first, I was just all about Tarte mascaras, Benefit, and don't get me wrong, I still love those. But I also love being able to find a much cheaper version. And mascaras are something I'm so picky about. But for a while, I felt like dollar store mascaras, like ColorMates mascaras, things like that, were just never that good. But that's one of the funnest parts about this trying a new makeup product everyday series, is finding those gems and those products that are just so good at unbelievable prices. And although this is not the best mascara I've ever tried, I have to say that I am very impressed by it for only $1. Definitely a mascara that I am going to add to my daily mascaras to combine with some of my volumizing ones so that I'm still getting this great length, dark color, and getting any lift and curl that I possibly can for my lashes. And I love that I barely got any mascara at all on the eyelids. Just a little bit at the top here, but oh, I feel like I always struggle with getting mascara all over my eye. So when it's a clean application, I'm so happy. So here are my finished lashes. And I'm kind of laughing to myself because this is what probably most people want from their mascara. Nothing too crazy, dramatic, intense, volumizing, fake looking. But to me, just my personal preference with mascara is to layer it up more than this. But this is actually such a pretty, more natural approach to mascara that really is so impressive. The more I'm looking at it, the more I'm appreciating this mascara and the fact that it's only $1. So definitely let me know in the comments down below if you have tried out this mascara, what your thoughts are on it, or like I was talking about, if you have any favorite inexpensive mascaras, definitely let me know in the comments down below, because trying out mascaras is one of my favorite types of products to try out, so I am always excited to get mascara recommendations. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.